They're literally
Pinot Harvest. It's about 8:30.
6, Tony.
Pinot's at about 24 bricks, which is just perfect.
You know what this is? It's a refractometer. It's a way of testing the grapes.
Yeah, I just looked through it.
Yeah,
Sugar levels.
it just tests the brick,
Bricks.
and you just look through, and there's a dark line.
Come on, you should do it, Rach.
There's a dark line in there, and there'll be a number with it.
They're not running this morning.
Oh, okay. They got their.
Yeah.
Are they filling their pans?
They're a lot better today than they were.
I see some light ones down, a little bit light down there.